So just to whet your appetite, I created a GUI to test the capacity of our deep learning from scratch model. And so imagine we have an applicant here. So the applicant would typically enter his or her age. So here, now let's imagine we're taking this feature. So the age is what? 30. So let's see if his loan application will be approved or declined. So he's 30, and in education, 2 means masters, for example. So you can also get a data set from here. Yeah, you can get a data set from here. And then the loan amount applied for is this. Let's copy this one. Should be in Naira. And then the asset currently stands at this. The asset, and then number of loans previously 0, no. And then number of current 0. And last declined. And I mean the default, maybe if has been default, yeah, so no default yet, so this is 0. And then let's see how this performs. Yeah, so you can see the output here now. So the prediction says loan default, so this person will default. And you can see it tallies with the answer, the target that we have here. Yeah, so we can also pick another random row. So let's take this one. Let's test it out. So clearly this person wouldn't default because the target answer here says 0. So let me run it again. And then this person's age is 45. And then for masters 2. And then there's a question for this amount. Enter. And then current asset is this. And the number of loans 4. Number of current loans, yeah, 4 again. Any default? No. So default. So let's see if granted. Yeah, so here it says so no default. So clearly this person his loan can be approved. Yeah. So see you in the next class.